Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Hope students you all would be fine. Today I am going to discuss on Oxford Broadway English of grade 4. Kindly open the book please. Students, in the last clip, we discussed about the whole of the chapter. Okay, now we are going to do its exercise. First of all, we have learned to read one on page number 13. Okay, see question number first. After the storm, the girl didn't see the bird. She thought what she was having in her mind. The bird had died in the storm. No. The bird had gone away in the search of food. Yes. The bird had gone away to another neighborhood. No. So the correct answer is answer B, because she was in the search of the food. Okay. After that, second, all the twigs and straw were blown by the last week's storm. Okay, for this you people have to open your workbook. Kindly open your workbook. This is your workbook for grade 4. So open it on the page number first of all you have to see the third page. Firstly we will complete it. But all the twigs and straw were blown away by last week's storm, said the little hummingbird in a sad voice. Why was the bird sad? You people have to write why she was sad. Because she had nothing with which to build her nest. Because she was having nothing from which she used to build, or from which she can make her nest. Okay, because after that she had to lay the eggs. That's why she had nothing with which. You people have to write because she had nothing with which to build her nest. Okay, number second. When the bird asked for a bubble gum, the girl was dash and dash. See, they have given the two different feelings. So the girl was surprised, means she was very surprised, and at the same time she was happy too. Okay, you people have you have to write two feelings. Okay. After that, question number third. The girl was annoyed when the bird asked for more bubble gum on the second day. She was annoyed? No, she was again surprised. Okay, so false. This is false. After that, question number 4. Hummingbird chewed 4 red bubble gums. How many? 4 red bubble gums, 7 orange bubble gums. She also ate 8 blue bubble gums and 3 big blue bubble gums. Okay, of white color. So 4 red, 7 orange, 3 big white and 8 blue. But she threw away the red. See, which one? Red one. So how many bubbles the bird had all together and how many are left over? Okay, so hummingbird chewed 4 red bubble gums. That's where it written in the statement. Hummingbird chewed 7 orange bubble gums. Hummingbird chewed 8 blue bubble gums. Hummingbird chewed 3 white big bubble gums. Okay, so total number of the bubble gums would be 22. You can calculate all of them and that would be your 22. And you have to minus what she said in the statement, what the writer said, that she threw away. Threw means you have to minus red one. So red one are 4. So 22 minus 4 is equal to 18. So how many left over? That is 18 bubble gums. Okay. Now move towards question number 5. Question number 5 is label and color the hummingbird. See, you people have to label and color it. First of all, you have this sweet hummingbird. You have to label. See, what is this? This is head region. So you have to write metallic green head. Okay, very obvious with the head. So okay, see, this is long bill. Bill is actually the beak. Okay, so you have to write long bill. After that, see, throat. Throat is your thoracic cavity, or you can say it's the area right after your head. Okay, so this is your bright red throat. After that, see, this one, see, it's your belly region. Okay, abdomen region, yeah, below the thoracic, your throat region, there is your belly region. This is chest and belly region. Okay, because it's very small, that's why it's your chest. And that's her belly. Okay, after that, see, a very obvious tail. So small fork. Tail. Fork means it's the shape of the fork. You people have fork in your home now, so that's why it's your small fork tail. Now students, come towards this page number 2. So you people have to discuss with your siblings and write, or you can use your brain too. Alphabetical orders. Alphabetical orders mean you have to write it in ABC order. Okay, you have given this list. then list 2, then list 3. See, they have neighborhood, hummingbird, these all are the words, but you have to write it in the list form. So I'm telling you, after completing that, you can check with this mind list. Okay, first will be hummingbird, neighborhood, reappeared, twigs, window, and worms. Okay, after that, in the second list, kindly complete it in your workbooks and then check with mind list. Bubblegum, chewed, feathers, shrug, surprised, voice. Then my list 3, do it by yourself and then check with my list. Beans, oak, realized, remember, straw, and suddenly. Okay, students, now come to the page number 4. Okay, see, we have some question, we have to answer them. Did the girl like the company of the little bird? How can you tell? Give at least 2 examples to support your answer. Okay, means, did the girl like the company? Yes, she missed her in her absence. See, when she was not there, she used to. See, first answer would be, did the girl like the company of the little bird? Yes, she liked. So you have to write yes. How can you tell? Because she missed her in her absence. Okay, she was missing her in her absence. Now the third point, give at least 2 examples. So you have to write 2 examples. She missed her singing, that's one example, and was worried about her food too. So the second example. So we have 2 examples, and or you can write answer from here. You may also use your own words to write this answer. Okay, now question number 7. There was something unusual about the nest that the girl saw. What was it? The unusual, and not you can say not, you are not having that thing in your mind, but it is shown to you. Okay, so the answer is, it was, what was the color? It was red, blue, and orange, and made up of bubble gums. Okay, so it was very surprising that it was made up of bubble gum. Okay, that was the unusual thing. Okay, unusual means that's maybe a thing that is a surprise for you. That was a surprise, that's why we have written over here. After that, question number 8. How did the girl feel when she saw the nest and the eggs in it? Is there a link between these feelings and last sentence? We are going to relate something in this. So she was happy that she had shared something with her friend. Means that was the feeling. How did the girl feel? She was happy. Okay, is there a link? So we have to write that she shared she had shared something with her friend, something that had helped her, because it was very helpful for the bird. Okay, yes. Now next point, link. Yes, the link is that we should help each other. That's very obvious that we should help in the help with each other, because as human beings we should do this. Okay, now last question, can you create new and unusual uses of bubble gum? See, creative idea, you can also write it by your own, but I have 2 creative ideas in my mind. Cracks and holes in your homes can be filled by using bubble gums. And for me, the second point is the eyeglasses used to break, so that's, we can use a small piece of a bubble gum and eyeglasses can be repaired from them. Okay, thank you students, and in the last lecture we are going to discuss about the learn words, next learn words. Okay, take care.